everybody. Welcome to our channel Chinna Badi. Today we are going to learn rain and rivers 7th class subtopic flow of rivers. When it had rained, some of it flows on the land. Some of it flows on the land and some of it percolate into soil. And some of it percolate into soil. And some of it evaporate and mix with air. And some of it evaporate and mix with air. We may observe while raining, some of it water flow on the road and some of it flow into canals. Some of it flow into canals and some of it flow into tanks and lowest places. How will water flows? How will water flows? The water flows from highest lands to lowest land. The water flows from highest lands to lowest land. In the same way, especially in the mountain region, when raining, much of water will flows into lowest areas. When rains, much of water, especially mountain regions, will flows into lower valleys, or lower areas. These lowest areas gradually changed into narrow channel. These lowest areas gradually changed into narrow channels. Later, narrow stream gradually changed a big stream year by year. Later, many streams join it as the stream flow tributary. Which streams are joined into a big river? What is the tributary? Tributary is the which streams are joining into a big river or a big stream. Later, this formed as a big river and flows to farthest places and flows into farthest places. When the river bigger and broader, it gets slow and could not carry it out. Silt and sand, dust, silt and sand. So it started depositing the silt on its bed and banks. As it nears to the sea, the river gets even more slower. It was unable to carry the silt, so it deposited them on its own course. These depositions called deltas. Now we having two deltas. In Andhra Pradesh. What are they? Those are Godavari Delta. First one Godavari Delta and second one Krishna Delta. If you having any doubts, send to me. Please comment and send your valuable suggestions. I will rectify in next class. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.